The Easy Hang kit comes with everything you'll need to install a door. It includes all 7 brackets, 14 1/2-inch jamb attachment screws, and 7 1 5/8 drywall screws. The only thing you'll need to finish the job is a pencil, a level, and a drill or screwdriver. You'll start by using your level to draw a plumb line about a 1/2 inch in from the rough opening on the hinge side of the wall. This will give you a reference line to attach your brackets to later. Next, you'll begin attaching the brackets to the jamb of the door. It's easiest if you start with the top bracket, since you can do so while the door is still laying down. After you stand the door up, you can begin to attach the remaining 6 brackets. Start on the hinge side and attach them where you would normally shim, which is just below each hinge. Now work your way to the knob side of the door and install the remaining 3 brackets across from the brackets you just installed on the hinge side. The jamb edge stops on the Easy Hang brackets will ensure that they're installed flush to the jamb of the door. After you have all the brackets attached to the jamb of the door, it's ready to be installed. To complete the installation, simply set the door in the rough opening and fasten it to the wall. You'll do this by matching your reference line that you drew on the wall earlier to one of the reference lines on the brackets. Start at the top hinge side bracket and work your way down using the same reference line for each bracket. Now move over to the knob side of the door and attach the remaining brackets to the wall. Now you're ready to attach the final bracket on the top of the door. As always, if you're installing a heavy or solid core door, replace the top hinge center screw with a 2.5 inch long screw for added support.